Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 26. The Expulsion of the English. On the 3rd of the month Razi, corresponding to the 1st of the month of Shaban 1224, from the birth of Muhammad, on Monday the night of Tuesday, at the metropolis in the early hours of the morning, I had a dream. Raghunath Rao, the Maratha agent, who had been to me before, appeared before me and said, "The English have suffered a crushing defeat in Europe and are now on the verge of leaving Bengal voluntarily." On hearing his statement, I said, "That is fine. I will dispatch troops as well as money. If God wills, the Narazins shall be expelled from India." End of Dream 26.